Welcome to English Test Mastery. Let's connect, learn, inspire, grow, succeed. The English Language Learners Hub.
How to perfect your English prepositions, a guide for fluent speaking. 30 best English preposition quiz test. Questions with answers.
Total question, 30. You have 10 seconds for each question. You may pause the video if you need more time. Wish you all the best of luck. Are you ready? Let's begin.
The lecture will begin precisely 10 a.m. He lives a small village near Cambridge. She congratulated him his success in the exam. The students were warned the dangers of plagiarism. The research paper was based on recent findings in the field. The results will be announced at the end of the month. They met, coincidence at the conference. He is responsible organizing the charity event. We were waiting the bus stop for an hour. The students worked the project together. She was known for her excellent research in linguistics. The painting was hung on the wall. She succeeded, finishing the project ahead of schedule. They were talking on the phone when I arrived. She has been working this project for months. He was absent the meeting due to illness. She is excellent in mathematics and physics. They were accused of breaking the rules during the exam. He is afraid flying, so he always travels by train. They arrived at the airport just in time for the flight. They congratulated her, winning the award. He took pride in his work and accomplishments. She invested a lot of time in her studies. The information was relevant. The discussion we had yesterday. He was tired, working late every night. She apologized for the inconvenience caused during the meeting. He is married, a famous author. The book is full of interesting facts about history. The company is responsible for delivering the products on time. She is angry at her friend for not attending the party.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.